The Dictionary of Real Estate Appraisal, Chapter R, continued, page 191. Recovery income. C. Reimbursable expenses. Recovery period. The number of years over which the basis, which means cost, of an item of property is recaptured for Internal Revenue Service IRS purposes. Recovery rate. The percentage of operating expenses recovered or reimbursed from tenants during the year. Expenses typically subject to recovery may include common area maintenance, real property taxes, insurance, heating and cooling, and utilities. See also CAM recovery rate and real property tax recovery rate. Recovery ratio. In income and expense analysis, the relationship of recovered revenue to recovered expense. See also recovery rate. Recovery stage. A stage in the real estate cycle, typically characterized by occupancy rates below equilibrium but increasing, by demand growing at a higher rate than the increase in supply, and by stable effective rents. Recreational lease. A lease on recreational facilities granted a tenant in a condominium or townhouse development by a developer/lessor for a stipulated time and rent, typically long-term with increases in rent tied to an index. Recreational vehicle, RV park. A campsite facility with parking for recreational vehicles and individual hookups for water, electricity, and other utilities. Communal bathhouses and laundries are also typically available. High amenity camps include more extensive hookups such as telephone, cable, and internet, as well as communal pool and planned events and child activity programs, also called trailer camp. Recreation center. A neighborhood-oriented facility used in common by a number of people and often owned by the general public or a nonprofit agency, for instance, church and settlement house. The building generally includes a meeting room or an assembly hall that can double as a gymnasium, generally has limited or no locker room facilities, unlike an athletic club. Rectangular survey system. A land survey system used in Florida, Alabama, Mississippi, and all states north of the Ohio River or west of the Mississippi River, except Texas, divides land into townships approximately 6 miles. Square, each normally containing 36 1 square mile sections of 640 acres, except where adjusted for the curvature of the earth, also called the government survey system. Rectangular survey system. Township tier. Down the middle is the principal meridian, heading north to south, and heading east to west is the baseline. The lines to the west and east of the principal meridian are called range lines. The lines heading north and south of the baseline are called township lines. Here is this individual township right there, T2NR3E. It shows the township. It starts at 1 in the top right corner and it moves 6 over to the left. Then it jumps down to number 7, 7 through 12, 12 to 13, and 13 to 16.